Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. This video is gonna be about why we started Net and Grow, what is the motivation behind it, how we do it, and everything related to it. I always wanted to make this video because I wanted to tell my customer that how we do it, and this idea I think is in my mind I think since 10th class 10th or 12th or so, because I have seen that the rural women are very skilled. They have art, they have skill, but they really don't have the platform to showcase it, and I always wanted to make a platform for them. But the idea kind of emerges when the COVID struck and I am at my native place, that is in Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. This When we came back from Delhi to Uttarakhand, this idea struck on my mind, and my mom also have a kind of influence in this, that we should start something for them and we should do for them. So there are multiple factors and reasons behind it why I'm doing this. First and foremost is that everyone deserves the hand knitted and handcrafted products. Like, see, the top, the crochet top right now I'm wearing it. This is literally not a top. This is a kind of a sweater, and this is of my dadi. She's no more, but whenever I wear this sweater, I feel that she's alive and she's nearby. So I think knitted product has an always an influence on my mind, on my life, and I always feel that love and warmth. And I wanted to give back that positivity to people. Because the knitted products are really durable and they have a long life. I think this sweater is almost of more than 15 years, at least I think. And the second idea behind is that I already discussed that we wanted to generate livelihood for these women, because see, they are really talented. If you will ever see their hand knitted or crochet things, you will be amazed that how sophisticated designs they are creating, but they are just not getting the right platform to showcase it. So I wanted to create that platform for them. And third is recently I have attended a cohort called UN Disruptor Program, especially for women who are into fashion industries. And guys, I would tell you that there's a term called fast fashion, which means that we buy products without any thinking, and we use them for twice or thrice, and then we kind of dispose them. But do we really think that where they go after disposing? So there is a lot of environmental damage is happening because of the fast fashion. So our products, what is the USP of our products is that first of all, knitted products, you pick any handcrafted or any hand knitted product, they have a very long life, and I'm giving you guarantee that you will never feel bored of them, never. Like, I don't know, they have kind of a charisma with them that whenever you wanted to wear them, they have always that charisma that whenever you wanted to wear, whenever you wanted to have or put in a knitted product, you will always feel loved, positive, and that, I don't know, that happy vibe is there. And so apart from this, the fast fashion is literally a challenge for the fashion industries, and many people have taken many new initiatives for that. But I wanted to say all of you that please pick clothes, those clothes which have that wow factor, that amazing color or that amazing design which attracts you. Pick those clothes. Don't just pick it just because you're liking it, and for a shake of 2 to 3 times you're picking it, and then you are just using it for some time and then throwing it out. It is really impacting our environment, and also they are not giving us that that comfort, that positive vibe whenever we wear something good. So this is the third point. And the fourth point is guys, that we have this huge market in European countries, and out of India. In India, it's bit summer, mostly colder in northern part, but southern part is always like hot and summery. But out of countries, US, Europe, and there are many colder countries. There's lot of opportunities over there. So if anyone near you, your mom, your sister knit, or they are interested in knitting and earn something for themselves and something like that, do contact us. We have many women associated with us now. You will be getting a comfort and all the guidance, all the guidance, comfort, resource, materials to knit it. You just have to knit at the comfort of your place. And even there is no office kind of a thing for me. I have never created. I have only a online platform where we sell our products. So just took the wool from us, or we can deliver at your place. We can give you the order. You can knit as per your convenience at the comfort of your own place, and you really don't have to compromise anything to earn something for yourself. And there's a huge market outside in India, and I'm looking forward to tap into that market maybe by next year. Looking forward to it now. So that is what behind it. And hoping that you will be now getting a rough idea that if we do something, then how we do it, why we do it, and what is the motivation behind it. So yeah, do let me know if you want to know something else. And I'm so happy to connect with you. Thank you. Bye bye.